1985 to 1991 ZR1 Corvettes chrome-plated exhaust tips. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rob's PH Seeds. What we have here, we got something super exciting. I am unboxing a special package from one of my amazing Facebook friend and follower. I'd like to mention his name. Is it okay, sir? It's Sir Wow from Manila. So he sent me this box. It's a parts, vintage car parts. Not all vintage, but from the Mustang, for the Camaro, and for the Corvette. He kept on watching us in our page, so he thought it might help me on my restoration. So I'm excited and curious what's inside. So let's dive in. All right, let's see what's inside. There is Edelbrock, Holley sticker, K&N filter, belt. I'm sure this belt is for the C4 Corvette. This one is a fan relay for Corvette. Some Corvette parts from Australia. This one I think is idler tensioner. I think some parts. So let's get it one by one. Some of it I think are used, like this one. What's this? It's 6 inches. I think 5 or 6 inches aluminum carburetor spacer. This is the first time I saw like this. See that? This is for the spread bore. So let's move this so we can put this parts. That's one. I'm excited. Maybe I can try this on my 67 Camaro, but let's see. We'll check. This one is oil filter, original K&N oil filter. I can use this for my Corvette or Camaro. Fan relay for Corvette, so I know what's this already. Some small parts. There's screw, tiny bit of parts. This one, let's see. I think it's some sensor something for the engine. What else? What is this? It's still in the box. Exhaust extension 1985 to 1991 ZR1 Corvettes chrome plated exhaust tips. This must be rare. Let's check it out. Exhaust tips, chrome plated. I don't know if it's stainless or chrome plated. Maybe it fits to that car right there. See that car right there? Maybe it fits to that car. We'll see. Because it's for Corvette. So nice. Holley sticker. I know where to put this exactly. It's for the 67 Camaro. And what's this? So hard to get, so big. Let's throw that. We don't need that box. Edelbrock Pro Flow air cleaner. 1 pieza. Let's see. It's air cleaner. I know where to put this. With that car. 67 Camaro. And some gasket. I think this is brand new. Edelbrock. There's even sandpaper. That's it. I think I also have a spark plug wire, but my son took it somewhere. So to my follower and friend, I would like to say thank you, sir, for sending this very rare and valuable parts. You cannot buy like this here in Cebu. Once again, thank you. For more videos like this, please follow my page. Bye bye.